Hello there, welcome to this video. In this video today, I want to show you the huge difference between bad AI and ChatGPT. Recently, Google just released their own chatbot, which is bad AI, and it has a lot of features that are not currently available on ChatGPT. In this video, I want to give you 7 different reasons why I think bad AI is better than ChatGPT. Now, if you are watching my channel for the very first time, my name is Olale Peter, and I share anything that has to do with digital marketing, AI, graphic design, and even website design. And I'll be posting more content like this that are interesting for you to watch. Now, if you don't want to miss out on my next content, what you want to do right now is to click on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification. Now, the next thing you can do right now is to like this video and also share this video with people out there, because I know there are a lot of people that are looking for a content like this. So it will be helpful to them if you can share this video out there. If this is your first time hearing about bad AI, I already created a video on how you can navigate on bad AI and how you can get register your own account and start using bad AI. You can check the description below. I already put a link to the video in the description below. You can also check the link on this video right now. Now, the first thing I want to show to you that I think is better than ChatGPT is the interface of the bad AI. You can see right now, very simple interface, and it is very, very responsive. We have a different options right here. You can hide this one right here, and from here you can even visit other tools that are linked to Google, like the workspace. You can visit map, news, chat, and all those stuff from here. Now that is the first thing that I noticed that makes bad AI better than ChatGPT, because the interface, it is very, very easy to go through and navigate through the interface. The second thing I notice about bad AI is because it generates your response very, very fast. Now, if you want to type your prompt, once you type your prompt on ChatGPT, it takes ChatGPT a lot of time to finish typing your prompt and your response. I mean, so when you enter a prompt and you tap on enter, ChatGPT will have to type out, like typing out the response one by one. But for Google Bad AI, it is not like that. So I'm going to type in one prompt right now and tap enter. You are going to see how it is going to generate your response for you very, very fast. So this is my prompt right now. How can I learn affiliate marketing in 3 months? So let me put a question mark. So once I type this one right now, let me click on enter. You're going to see it's going to generate this response in a single tap, right? So this is basically what it does. It looks around the web and get all this information, and it just pastes this information at once instead of typing them. Number one, affiliate marketing is this, blah blah blah. Then it type number two, just like ChatGPT. It does not do that. So you just get all the information, gather the information, and paste everything at once for you. So basically, this is a faster response than ChatGPT does. So you can easily go through the response and do whatever you want to do with the response. Maybe you want to copy it to your document or do whatever you want to do with it. Now, the next thing I want to talk about in this video is the draft feature on bad AI. So what this draft means is that when you type in your prompt on bad AI and you get a response, bad AI also give you 2 or 3 other responses that are different from the current one on your screen, right? So to see other draft, so if you are not okay with the first draft, you can simply click here to see the other 3 drafts. All right, so these other 3 drafts are different from the one that are currently on your screen. So this is the first one. The second one, you can see it is different, with different word, with different arrangement and different vocabulary. You can see this one start from choose a niche, and the first one right here is to learn the basic of affiliate marketing, and the third draft right here start with learn with affiliate marketing, but it also have other words that are rearranged in another format. So what you want to do is just go through all this, so and pick the one that best fit your own interest at that moment. So you can click here to regenerate the information, just like you regenerate information on ChatGPT, and you are good to go. You can also view other drafts, so you can check all these drafts. These drafts are basically for you to choose between the best option for you, right? So you can choose the best option, then you copy it to your document and start using it for yourself. Now, the next thing I want to talk about, that is the third thing I want to talk about, is you can easily export your response from your dashboard on Google Bard AI to either your email or your Google Doc. All right, this is a very fantastic feature. You don't have to, copy the content, then paste, take it manually and paste it on your Google Doc or to your email address. Now, to do that, you can simply click on this upload button, like an upload button right here. You click export response. You will see export to docs and draft in Gmail. All right. So if you want to put it in your email, let's say for instance you generate an email, you want to write an email to your boss, and you ask Bard AI to create an email for you. So instead of copying the email to your email account, you can just from here export it to your email as a draft. From there, you can edit it, add your recipient, and send it to your boss. But you must make sure that you log in using your official. If you want to send an email using a particular one of your email account, you must make sure that you log into Bard AI using that email address, because the response is going to be copied into the email address you use to log in to Bard AI. So if you want to know how to log into your Bard AI account, you can also check the video that I told description in the description below. Now, the next thing, you can easily export your response to document. All right. Now, let's say you want to write an ebook, you want to create an ebook or a simple book, and you generated your response from Bard AI. Just click on this button right here. You see export to doc, and once you click on export, the AI is going to create the document and send it to your Google Doc. Now, from here, you can open the Google Docs and check the content for yourself. And if you draft it to your email, so we are going to demonstrate that right now. So we click on this and draft it to our email. We are going to see all the information right now, how it will generate it to our email. So it is drafting it right now, and we can open in Gmail. So this is our doc. This is our document right now. We just export it from Bard AI to our document. So you can basically edit the document and start using it for any purpose you wish to use it for. As for your email, it is going to open your email and open the draft for you. It's going to use the question you asked as the subject of the email. Like, how can I start affiliate marketing? We use this as the subject of the email, then this as the content of the email. So you can see right here. So as you can see right here, this is the subject of the email and this is the email. You can notice one thing, that it boldens all the first text, and this is basically your email right now. So what you want to do is just add your recipients and send it directly to the person or anyone who want to send it to. So that is the third thing I want to talk about in this video. The next thing I want to talk about is that Bard AI has access to the internet. All right. Let's say after generating your response, you are not satisfied with the answer you get. You can simply click on Google it right here. You are going to see related keyword. So you can click on Google it. Under it is going to give you some related topic to what you asked. So you can see the first one right here is affiliate marketing in 3 months. You can see how many days it will take to earn from affiliate marketing. And the third one is how fast can you start affiliate marketing. So basically you can just click on any one of them to learn more about, to get the answer to this question. So once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to Google, right? So from there you can see answer to the question. You can even try other question, or you can even copy it and use it as a prompt. You can copy it right here and use it as prompt. Let's see what Bard AI has to say about this. Now click and send. So you can see right here, this is the question we asked. You can see it gave us um how many days will it take to learn to start earning from affiliate marketing. You can see it takes anywhere from few days, and it even give you a source, that is it got this information from this particular blog. From there you can visit the blog and read more about that content. This is something that is not currently available on ChatGPT. The next thing I want to talk about is the voice recording on bad AI. All right. So if you don't want to type your prompt, you can simply click on record, use microphone right here to record your prompt. Right. So just click on the microphone and you're going to record your prompt. You will allow, if you are here to use microphone on your own browser, you're going to allow for your browser to use the microphone linked to your. So you can see as I'm speaking right now, it is typing the words out. So I'm going to cancel this. So here is my prompt right now. I recorded the prompt, so you can easily enter and it's going to generate your answer for you. So this is something that is not available on ChatGPT. So if you're someone who don't like to type, you don't want to type, you can simply record your voice and send your prompt. It's going to generate an answer for you. You can see these are the answer right now to my question using my voice note. Now, the next I want to talk about, which is the last part of this recording right now, is the auto delete of your activity. Now, if you don't want this bad AI to store your activity, you can simply set up the auto delete. Just come over to bad activity. So you can simply set up your auto delete that every 3 months, every 18 months, that it should delete your activity. So you can set it up right here. Do you want it to be deleted every 3 months, every 18 months, or every 36 months? So you can select whichever one that works best for you. From there, you click on next. It's going to be deleting your information every 3 months. So delete now. You have no activity older than 3 months, so no activity will be deleted right now. So in the next 3 months, your activities will be deleted. But I'm going to cancel this one right now. I don't want to set it up. So that is the last feature that I want to discuss with you in this video right now. Now you can see, you can agree with me that most of these features are not currently available on ChatGPT, and they are amazing features you can easily use on bad AI. Now, if you like this video right now, I want you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, because this is going to motivate me to post more content like this on this channel. Also, you can click on the like button and share this video out there to your friends and any other person who might need this video right now. That's the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching.